Have you ever thought of having the Shopify orders in Dynamics GP without any extra effort? With X2X eCommerce GP Shopify integration solution, this is a reality. With the X2X module implemented in your system, create the exact Shopify orders in GP, just in a matter of seconds. Our solution allows you to map Shopify payment gateways and shipment gateways to GP, payment and shipment gateways to provide end-to-end synchronization. Download orders at any given time or schedule the process. Simple as that. Ship and invoice orders in GP, and update fulfillment and payment status on Shopify right from the GP environment. Efficient operation management is crucial for the success of any business. With X2X eCommerce solution working for you, you can achieve it. Empower your team with X2X GP Shopify integration solution to manage web orders directly from the GP platform. Still not sure if X2X eCommerce is the right solution for you? Reach out to our experts or visit our website to learn more.